again. It's a rich thing.
Imagine this, it's 10 years from now. You're sitting in a sleek, sunlit workspace. You're successful, respected, fulfilled. But here is the twist. Your path to that moment began today. But which road did you take? Was it the logical, ever-evolving world of software engineering? Or the data-driven, insight-revealing realm of data science? Pause. Before you choose, here is a truth bomb. Making the wrong decision here could cost you years of your life, thousands of dollars, and the career you have dreamed of. But don't worry, in the next few minutes, you're going to discover exactly which path suits you best. You'll learn the secrets nobody talks about. And by the end, you'll walk away with clarity and confidence. Stick around till the end, because the final point is the most important one and it could literally make or break your future. Let's start with software engineering. Software engineers are the architects of our digital world. They build apps, systems, games, websites, stuff we use every single day. The demand? Insane. The salaries? Mouth-watering. Remote work? Oh yes. But here is the kicker. You'll be solving problems every single day. So if debugging at 2 a.m. sounds like a nightmare, you might want to hold on. Now, data science. Welcome to the world of algorithms, AI, and uncovering insights hidden deep inside oceans of data. Think of data scientists as detectives for numbers. They don't build the apps. They analyze the data coming from the apps. They look at a lot of data, ask smart questions, and use math, statistics, and coding to find patterns, trends, or answers that help companies make better decisions. Imagine you're working at Uber. You analyze ride data to predict when demand will spike, suggest where to send drivers, help marketing know which promo actually worked, even figure out why people are canceling rides. You're not just coding. You're telling stories with numbers, predicting the future, and guiding billion-dollar decisions. Sounds like superpowers, right? Well, here is the plot twist. Data science loves chaos. You'll deal with messy data, ambiguous goals, and constantly changing tools. Oh, and sometimes you build a model just for it to be tossed out by management. Software engineers need strong grasp of logic and structure, mastery in languages like Python, Java, C++, system design thinking, long-term project commitment. Data scientists need math and stats, yes, linear algebra, Python, a programming language, SQL and maybe Excel if your boss still lives in 2005, machine learning concepts, business intuition. Here is the real question. Do you want to build the system or analyze the system? Okay, so both are powerful, lucrative, and exciting. But which one will actually stay relevant in the next 10 years? We're about to reveal that. But first, let's talk about you. If you love building stuff from the ground up, prefer structure, and enjoy solving defined problems, software engineering is your kingdom. But if you're curious, love patterns, enjoy diving into chaos to find meaning, and you're okay with ambiguity, then data science will feel like a playground. Here is a chilling stat. Over 70% of professionals feel stuck in the wrong tech career. Don't be one of them. AI is here. Automation is real. So which one is safe? Truth is, both can thrive, but only if you stay adaptable. Data science is evolving fast. It's in high demand now, but that means high competition. Software engineering is foundational. It's not going anywhere, but you'll need to constantly upskill. Whichever you choose, the best time to start mastering it was yesterday. The second best time? Right now. So, software engineering or data science, which one leads to your version of success? That answer is inside you, but now, you know how to find it. Comment below, I'm team engineer, or I'm team data scientist. And if this helped you, don't just scroll, subscribe, because your future deserves more than guesswork. Until next time, build boldly, analyze deeply, and choose wisely.